I am Laura Gomez, 24 years old, study psychology and UNAT. I am going to describe my family. My mother is the base of the family. Iris Calchuis Velilla is 44 years old, of Monpos Bolivar. She is a teacher, she is very intelligent, affectionate, is in a good mood, she is dark skin, age is big brown. Then her favorite sport is basketball. She likes to dress elegantly. Natalia, my sister, is 22 years old, studying hair nursing. She is a woman with charisma. She is cheerful and very authoritarian. She is always happy, likes makeup and being in church. She has a 3 years old daughter named Victoria. My sister Sofia is 12 years old. She is studying 6th grade. She likes dancing and singing. My younger brother Juan Mateo, 11 years old. He likes to practice soccer and he likes to prepare recipes because he wants to be a chef like his father. And my daughter is a motivation in my life project. She is a very loving, intelligent, tender girl and always with a nice smile. He is 5 years old. He likes to draw. His favorite colors are red, pink,